Okay, so we are up at Skyway Point on the Grand Mesa here. We're at an elevation of about 10,600 feet on a north-facing slope. As you can see, we're in the midst of an ongoing storm. We've got about 2 inches so far of some fairly dense new snowfall. It's snowing about 2 centimeters an hour right now, and we're just getting a cohesive enough slab in our very thin snowpack. So you can see we've only got about a foot of snow on the ground. And the top half of that snow is heavily rimed, really soft fish snow. Right in here, we can call that our mid-pack, is a 4-finger slab. And believe it or not, we isolated an extended column test, and the slab is stiff enough to communicate a failure across the whole column on 4 taps from the wrist. So we're getting sudden collapses on ECTs. This is indicating that we're just getting to the point now where we're building a slab stiff enough to communicate some failures. All of this is sitting over very well developed depth hoar with chains of depth hoar up to 10 millimeters thick. This is a really weak layer, and it's not going to be able to support much of the slab. In most places in the Grand Mesa, this deep of the snow, it's not enough to obscure the ground cover, but in the heavily drifted areas where we start to lose sight of the shrubs and the rocks, we're going to start to be able to trigger avalanches by the end of today's storm. Here you can see our shallow snow pit. It's only about a foot deep, but that layer of 4 fingers is just a soft enough slab to get the whole column to break on that red line, which indicates the top of the depth hoar layer. This is going to become an increasing problem as we add more and more snow on top of this layer going forward.